The Gymnastics Course is a CrossFit Preferred course with 14 CEU hours. This interactive 2-day course covers basic, intermediate, and advanced gymnastics movements in both lecture and practical settings. Movements coached in depth include bar and ring muscle-ups, gymnastics kipping and butterfly pull-ups, toes to bar, handstand push-ups, handstand walking, and more. There are no education or performance prerequisites. Our course is designed to deliver tremendous value to anyone, from the beginner athlete to the veteran games athlete or the new coach to the specialist sports and exercise coach. There's something for everyone. We have 4 main course objectives: build your understanding of gymnastic theory, develop virtuous form and execution of movements, learn how to spot and self-spot, and how to productively program gymnastics for both skill and strength. The course is filled with additional coaching and athlete development. We will make you a smarter, more self-aware athlete or coach. This will help you stand out from the rest of the crowd in every way. We have 12 years of experience traveling the globe delivering the very best coaching experience possible. We can't wait for you to join us and start crushing gymnastics.